again, see? I made a mistake and I gotta go around again. Oh, wait, that's a blue? Yo, what's up? I'm looking at that. I gotta do the settings, man. He's going back around again. How many times did I go around? Look, let me see. Let me show you the whole outcome. He's going circles. This is like the 5th time. Let me see how long. Okay, right there. Come on, man. Stop shaking. Wait, hold on. Now I gotta slow down because I'm getting too close. Hold on. Oh, my goodness. Yo, how many times was... Hold on. This can't be a helicopter because... He's flying off. Let's see the outcome first. Look. Now, why he's gonna come back to me? I'm gonna leave it this. You can see the whole outcome. He's gonna come back to me, and then do the circle, and then go back to Saint. Why is he doing this? They're like some number 7. Unless he knows I'm looking at him. That'll be stupid of me for doing it. But this is life, technology. That's how we do, man. Let me see. I see the green. See, if that's a plane with the FAA, why is the plane doing circles? Unless they told them, wait, the airport is full, so you gotta stay up there and waste gas until we tell you to land. Maybe, but look, the airports are too far. You can't be doing that here. I mean, it looks like an airplane, but I don't hear the helicopter. I don't hear in the starboard, the green, yeah. Oh, wait, I hear a plane. But it can't be a... Sorry. I'm just trying to be... Oh, huh. Hold on. Now I'm gonna do this right, man. Look, if that's a plane, he's gonna do another circle again. You ready that? Watch, he's gonna do the circle, he's gonna go to the left now, watch. If that's a plane, what's he doing? It's gonna be a long video, he's gonna keep doing circles. Like, my man on YouTube said, I like them videos long. See what happens. I saw another flash. I saw another flash somewhere around here. I see, I saw another flash. Yes, he's going again. Another circle. I think he knows that I'm watching. Another circle. Come on, that can't be a plane. He some gas. I see it. I saw it. Hold on, man. If he's gonna do another circle, something is not right. Where are all the other planes? Usually, oof, I dropped something. Oh my God, what did I drop? Oh my God, hold on, I'm dropping stuff. Oh my God, I gotta get it, I gotta go. Okay, he's coming again. And I'm gonna be hanging on my window, man. Letting him see that I'm looking at him. No, man. He did it wrong. I've been doing it wrong. Since I'm really recording him 9 times going in circles. No, he's coming back. Oh, he's coming back. Again. All right, let's see if we hear the plane. Again. This time I'm gonna see if I can stay. Okay. I don't hear no plane. Wait, I do hear something. Hey, oh, I'm not gonna plane. Yeah, I do hear something. There is a plane. So, well, it sounds like a plane. Unless he's doing it for me. Hey, you want to take a picture, a video here? Video this, yeah. Beep, beep. That's what he's telling me probably. Oh, wait up, yeah. My window. Okay, watch, he's gonna do it again. This is the last one because I'm getting too. Whoa, hold on. No, I gotta go back. I gotta go again, watch. I'm trying to go slow, so I'm gonna have to mess up the video. Watch, it's gonna go again. Nah, this is new. This is gonna be number 12. Or maybe more, man. It's gonna come back again. Planes don't do that. And what I noticed too, I haven't seen a damn plane. They usually go into the airport. I don't want to say what airport, but no, he's coming around it. No. This can't be a plane. No, this can't be a plane. It's going around again. And it's cold out here. I got the windows. And I got too much data. And I don't want people to think that I'm recording them. Where on the plane at? Oh, it's cloudy too. It's coming around again, watch. Plane. Let's see why did I come around again. This is crazy. Well, I'm just recording this so in case anything happens, we know what happened and why are they telling him to go in circles. I'm gonna try to do it now. You know what? Coming around again. Look. For people who so you can see that he's coming around again. Look. Coming back to me again. He's doing it for my entertainment, I think. That's what it is. But he better just drop all those passengers and come back. Now I'm trying to get close. See, you got the grease and the starboard. almost up. See, it sounds like a plane. He's coming around. He's gonna go around. This is the last one. I can't. It sounds like a plane. Hell. I can't come closer. These are the. Why? Is there another turn again? There's the last turn. Where is it? Oh, that's the last turn. If you're gonna go around again, something is not kosher. And where are the other planes? I haven't seen a plane yet. I mean, I'm thinking one now. Where did this guy go? Hold on, let me pause it. Get out the window. They're going around again. Let's sustain it. I can see what's going on. This is the last turn. I'm gonna stop. Now let me get back in. He's gonna go back around again. Something's not right. I mean, I've been at the airports and the plane, you know, the what do you call them? I forgot. They told us, you know, stay, not me. They told the pilot to stay up, cause you know we gotta get online. So I hope the gas on, but this dude is just loving it. I don't know. He's going around it. Say me shut up. Here's the last one, folks. But he is going around again. He is. Look. The last one's gonna be when he comes to me. That's 8. And I'm gonna get you cold. He's going around again. I don't believe this dude. Let's try to get close now. There you go, over there. Okay. See? Sounds like so. See, the only reason I moved it back so you can see the whole thing, because I want you to see what he's doing. You can't see his flight path, but I got it dead in his face. He's coming around again, because look, the starboard green light is showing itself. He must have a lot of gas. Okay, guys, that look like an airplane, right? Whoa. I gotta back up. Oh, wait. Oh. Hurry. There's the last one. Whoa. Oh, this is the part I hate. He's coming around again. This is it. Again, came around again. And it sounds like a plane. It has to be a plane. All right, homie. Do you.